Hey, babe.
Oh, hey, babe.
Hey, watch
What's
this
up?
with me.
Huh?
Watch this with me.
Oh, wait. No, last time you made me watch something, you nearly killed me.
Saan ka nakatingin? Hindi mo nakita yung Star Wars character. Pinaka-paborito mo yun. Kung saan kasi nakatingin? Kung saan kasi nakatingin? No, I just want you to see if this will look good in our backyard.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's watch it. Swimming pool. Yeah, a swimming pool would look great.
No, not the swimming pool. The lion.
The lion?
Yes, the lion statue.
You know, I was so focused on the swimming pool that I didn't notice a lion statue.
If you didn't see it, then what were you looking at?
Okay, wait. Yes. No, I saw it. I was just joking, baby. Yeah, I definitely saw the lion statue.
If you saw it, what color was it?
The color? Actually, babe, I don't think a lion statue would look good in our backyard. Welcome back to SpongeBob Vlogs.
Hello po, welcome to my channel. Maraming salamat sa pag-video.
Hey guys, maraming
Thank you for
salamat sa
watching.
panonood. Ayun, abangan ang susunod na episode ng Kasal-anan.
Kasalanan mo.
Guys, we want to tell you real quick about our app, PhilTalk. PhilTalk is a social media app for the Philippines and people interested in the Philippines. You can learn Filipino languages on it, and you can also go dating with people interested in the Philippines.
Para makahanap na kayo ng forever nyo.
Ayun, sana all may PhilTalk.
And pwede din kayong mag-subscribe sa channel ko.
And Shanta's brother has a channel as well called Provinciano, kasi Yano ang pangalan niya.
Provinciano Vlog.
Yes.
Yung Y yung malaki.
Ayun, go check him out. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Would ring on you what you say I do.